In this video, we are going to compare Xiaomi G9 versus Xiaomi G10. Which one is better in this year? If you're choosing between the G9 and G10 vacuum cleaners, here's a simple breakdown to help you decide. The G9 is a solid stick vacuum with good suction power at 120 air watts. It has a 2.5 amp hour battery that gives around 60 minutes of cleaning time on low power. Though on high power, this drops to around 8 minutes. It's fairly light, but still a bit heavier at about 3.8 kilograms. It's quiet compared to later models and works well for everyday cleaning. The G10 steps things up with 150 air watts of suction power, which means it cleans slightly faster. It also adds a 3Ah battery, offering around 65 minutes on low power. Just a tiny boost. But the real perk is a neat scrubbing feature with a water tank and mop pad, so you can vacuum and mop at the same time. It has a modern display screen, auto mode to self-adjust cleaning power, and it weighs about 3 kilograms, so it's a bit lighter than the G9. Just be aware, it's louder, around 79 decibels, compared to the G9's quieter sound. In short, the G9 is reliable and quieter, while the G10 gives you more power, a smart screen, and added mopping ability if you want a more versatile cleaning tool. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.